All right, so something I've already found out with Kubernetes that is a gotcha that is kind of subtle is that k get pods, Kubernetes pods, get pods dash w has problems. And the other day I was using this and it didn't refresh the screen. Well, what is it? So let's first of all do this. So k is kube control. So k get pods shows you the pods, right? And when you're doing like anything, this is something you want to see refresh all the time. So they added k get pods dash w, right? And it doesn't refresh your screen. It tries to remember where it is and everything. And I'm just going to tell you right now, don't use it. I don't think you should use it. Here's the two reasons that I strongly feel you shouldn't use it. The first one is that the W switch only works for kget that's supported. Then there's a lot of other times I might want to watch something else. So like k get all, right? There's no I don't think there's a -w on get all. Is there? Nope. Okay, so but you know what you could do on everything? You can use watch. Okay, so you can use watch and it will just update. I've gotten so used to using watch for everything because it's a standard Unix tool. It's been around forever. Now, there is one caveat here. You cannot use this if you make k an alias or a function. And a lot of people do that. That's really recommended by all the documentation out there. And it's a totally bad idea because it doesn't allow it to be used as a subprocess. And that means that you can't use it with watch. Number one, you can't be inside of a thing where you want to see all the pods. Bang bang k. Let's see. K get pods, right? See, that works. If it was an alias or a function would work, but if it was an alias, that wouldn't work because it's not a subprocess. So don't do that. Make k into a one line. I made a whole video about this, but this is the reason that aliases and functions usually don't do what you think you want them to do. So usually what you want is a one line executed shortcut for this kind of thing. And then you can map all of your, you can map all of your other stuff to it after that, like your completion. So you can go map your completion to your k program down here and get what you would expect. So see, like this, you have to add this line to it too. I'll give this line to you guys, so you can add that to your own thing. Eeks is kind of slow lately, but whatever. So there's the line if you want to add your own k alias. But the main reason for that is so you can use watch, I think. And it also is because now I can do, watch k get pods. There's no dash to type. I fucking hate type. Sorry, I shouldn't swear on these videos, but I hate typing dashes. I would rather use completion without the dash if I can. And this is very reliable and it updates the screen properly. And -w does not. Yesterday, I sat around for an extra 10 minutes because I was running a job and it didn't refresh the screen and it had a whole bunch of waiting on pull image stuff on the screen and it didn't update it. I went into their terminal and there it was. I was like, oh, I could have been working this whole time. And I was like, ever since then, I will never, ever use -w again. I think it's a bad idea. I think they should just drop it out and recommend that everybody use watch instead. That's what I think they should do. I think they should just get rid of it because, at least you're building this false expectation it's going to work. And you don't have -w in every other command. And why would you build it in every command? It's not the Unix way. The Unix way is to let watch do it. And you just do your thing with pods and then get out of the way. That's the Unix philosophy. All right, end on that video.